Drinking this tea every day can significantly lower creatinine levels according to science. Yes, in just 4 weeks, it will turn on your kidneys like a faucet. Catherine from Double O Kidney here. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. Chronic kidney disease is a degenerative condition with very few chances of improvement for the patients. This is what most doctors will tell you about it. But I've been working with CKD patients for more than 8 years now, and I'm not in agreement with this statement. There are several remedies proven to work, and I've used them to make a very powerful tea which, according to studies, will give you noticeable results in terms of improved kidney function in just 4 weeks. Our number one in particular is one of the most powerful herbal remedies on earth. It was capable of lowering proteinuria and creatinine levels significantly in a study on stage 4 and 5 kidney patients. But before, let's see our number 5. Number 5 is, let's see what's inside. Oh, over leaves. Oh, our first ingredient is a powerful herbal remedy. This herb has two ways of making our kidney tonic extremely powerful. First, it will reduce the inflammation in the kidneys and urinary tract. It's a natural anti-inflammatory with pain-relieving properties. And over-Ursi is also used in Europe and in traditional herbal medicine in North America as a treatment for urinary tract infections. Actually, this herb is approved by the German equivalent of the FDA to treat bladder and urinary tract issues. A fun fact, birds are particularly fond of uva-ursi berries. This explains the Latin name uva ursi, which means bear's grape. But we're going to use just the leaves, not the berries, not to worry about the birds. Now, let's see our next ingredient. This one here helps making uva-ursi even more powerful. Let's see it. Stinging nettle. Because of its natural anti-inflammatory and analgesic, aka pain-relieving properties, nettles have been used for centuries to treat sore, stiff muscles and joints. This is an exceptional remedy, very easy to find and inexpensive. It's also known as nettle or stinger, and it's a really common weed that grows in gardens almost everywhere in the world. In a recent study, people suffering from arthritis pain have been shown to get the same result in terms of reducing pain they would have got from NSAIDs when they use stinging nettle extract. All these properties are also very useful to protect the kidneys. According to medical research, stinging nettle can lower blood pressure and blood sugar levels, but it also helps balance excess sodiums in the body because it also has diuretic properties to help the kidneys getting rid of excess toxins and fluids. This is why this herb is actually approved in Germany and France for the treatment of urinary problems. Okay, our next ingredient, this one will make our tea taste great. Number 3 is, let's see what's inside. Juniper berry. These are the berries of the juniper tree, an evergreen shrub that grows in many parts of the world. They won't just make our tea taste great, they have a tart, spicy flavor. Juniper berries are also used in many medicine practices. They are a stimulant for the kidneys and bladder because they help flush out impurities and toxins. Juniper berries are rich in essential oils and flavonoids that function as a potent antioxidant and may help reduce inflammation and swelling. And according to recent research, these berries may also fight diabetes and help the heart by lowering bad cholesterol. They're commonly sold dried, either whole or crushed. For our tea, I've chosen whole dried berries and I'm going to crush them manually. Not before, I'll show you our number 2, a powerful antioxidant to protect our kidneys. Horsetail, also known as puzzle grass, is a natural diuretic. Researchers believe it to contain chemicals that increase the amount of urine the kidney produce, a great step in the direction of helping the kidneys doing better. And it can also help fighting swelling, balancing body fluids, lowering blood pressure, and removing uremic toxins from the body. And horsetail is not just a diuretic, it also contains a very potent antioxidant that works especially well to reduce damage done by oxidation. This may also prevent the accumulation of dangerous free radicals in the kidneys. This herb also helps your body store calcium needed to heal bones and to build strong fingernails and hair. Now, what you should know about horsetail is that it contains thiaminase, a substance known for lowering vitamin B1 serum levels. You have two options here: finding a brand that sells thiaminase-free horsetail or supplementing vitamin B1. Both solutions could work because supplementing vitamins of the B group is usually recommended for people with kidney problems. So, also consider taking a multivitamin for kidney patients when starting this remedy. I made a video about the best brands of multivitamin that are 100% safe for kidney disease. It's up here. Before I'll show you the most powerful ingredient, an important question. How can you find these herbs? All these herbs are grown mostly for medicinal purpose all around the world. This means they should be really easy to find and also inexpensive. You could easily buy them on Amazon.com or other herbal shops online. However, I like go shopping for my herbs locally when I can and when it is safe to do so. It's always nice supporting local business. So my suggestion here is to use Google Maps and try and locate an herbal shop in your area. And if you can't find any, there's always Amazon. On my website, newhopeforkidneypatients.com, I'm maintaining an updated list of all the best supplements, herbs, and home remedies for people with kidney disease you can find online. The link is in the description, but now let's see our number 1. And our number 1 most powerful is, let's see what's inside. Astragalus! Yes, one of the most powerful herbal remedies on earth. This is an adaptogen. Adaptogens are known to help your body adapt to life's ups and downs and to recover from both short and long-term physical or mental stress. Astragalus, in particular, was proven to be incredibly effective against the progression of kidney disease. In a study published on a prestigious paper, astragalus extract was able to significantly lower creatinine levels of stage 4 and 5 kidney disease patients. Yes, this remedy is so incredible. I've made a full video about it if you want to know more. It's up here. But don't go away yet. It's time to prepare our tea. First of all, here are the right dosages for the herbs. Okay guys, for the ingredients of our tea, we need 1/3 tablespoon of uva ursi, then 1/2 tablespoon of singing nettle, 1/3 tablespoon of horsetail, then we need 10 to 15 juniper berries. If crushed, 1/2 tablespoon. And for last, we need 15 grams of astragalus. For the astragalus, 15 grams, this is about 1.5 tablespoon. Now, astragalus and juniper berries are usually sold either whole and dried or already crushed. I will need to crush them before preparing the tea, but it will only take a minute. And you can also buy them in powder if you prefer. Okay, done! Let's put them here. So this is the right quantity for one day. About 30 ounces of water. That's a little bit less than a liter of water. Now, as I was saying, this is a 4-week treatment. So to save time, you can also prepare all the herbs beforehand and store them already mixed in an airtight glass container. Then each day, you will just need to put 2 tablespoons of mixed herbs in water and make the tea. Now, this tea should be prepared in a special way so the effects of these herbs may be more potent. This is what holistic doctors call a decoction. Don't worry, it's easy. These herbs need to soak in water for 2 to 4 hours before making the tea. Now they're ready to boil. When it boils, reduce heat and let simmer for 20 to 30 minutes. Strain, allow the tea to cool and drink. And this tea can be of great help as we have seen. But as usual, consult your doctor before starting anything new. And to get the best, you also want to take care of your health with the right diet and lifestyle. So also check out my other videos about the healthiest habits to lower your blood pressure and to protect the kidneys. And as always, keep taking good care of your kidneys and be good to yourself. This is all for today. Thank you for watching.